Apple's next big product isn't a phone or watch, it's a ring.
And the wild part? Patents suggest it might control your whole Apple setup, like Thanos, but with Bluetooth instead of Infinity Stones. Get ready, guys, because in the next 4 minutes, we're decoding actual Apple patent filings, showing what this thing could do, and asking the big questions. Could it ever actually replace the Apple Watch?
Receipts on screen? No hype. We're not here to pitch eye-rings. We'll roast it if we think it looks like trash. All right, guys, let's talk about the patents in question. For gestures and haptics, for controlling media, imagine flicking your finger to skip Spotify without looking like you're conducting an invisible orchestra. Patent 2, NFC, translation, tap to pay, unlock your Mac, or check into the gym with a little flex ring. Patent 3, accessory control. Think of it as a subtle clicker for your AirPods, your TV, and maybe even Apple Car in 2050. Who knows?
And picture this, guys. Swipe the ring, volume up. Double tap, next track. Triple tap, oops, I FaceTimed my ex. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the idea. All right, here's the catch. Patents aren't products. Apple files hundreds of patents every single year. To be honest, Mac Rumors put it pretty bluntly. They said there's no guarantees any of these filings will ever hit the shelves.
That's right, Rudeboi. And the potential blockers could be major, like battery density. How do you power a smart ring without recharging it every 2 hours? And comfort? No one wants a smart ring cutting off circulation. It has to be size adjustable. And durability? Well, it's gonna be living in sweat, soap, and Dorito dust. So this thing better be able to take a serious beating.
Hell yeah! Plus, Apple doesn't do beta vibes.
That's right.
If it can't be shipped polished on day one, it's going straight to the graveyard with AirPower. AirPower was a complete disaster.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, so the real question is, why does it even matter? Well, because a ring, well, it frees up your whole wrist. It's lightweight, and you don't need another screen in your life, right? You get the tech with a touch of fashion.
Pretty cool. And if Apple ever drops AR glasses, the ring could be your discreet controller. Control everything. Instead of waving like Tony Stark maybe in a Starbucks, you could just flick your finger. It's way less cringe.
That's right, exactly. Less screen time, more ambient control. Think music, smart home, payments, all handled with tiny little gestures. Tech that saves you time.
So real talk, would you actually wear an Apple ring instead of a smartwatch? Drop your comments below. We're curious if you prefer a ring or a watch.
Yeah, and if you're already dreaming about Minority Report technology, well, check out our Ray-Ban Meta Glasses breakdown in our next video. And please take a second to like, subscribe, and press that notification bell. It'll help us grow our channel, and we really appreciate it. So we could bring you some more tech releases before everyone else.
That's right, and we're also planning on future giveaways when we have enough subscribers, so please help us out.
Future tech,
No fluff.
see you in the next one.